So we're going to be working on gapping your elbow joint using a towel. All you're going to do is take a hand towel and roll it up. The thickness is going to be dependent on what your tolerance is and how much gapping you need. Generally, if you have bigger, thicker arms, you might need a little bit more. A little bit thinner arms, you're going to need a little bit less. Sort of feel it out. Start with a little smaller than you think you need and build up. As you're doing this one, because you are using the towel and you're going to be putting a ton of pressure on your bicep might get a little sore from this. What you're going to do is you're going to take that towel roll, you're going to get the crook of your elbow here, and you're going to place the towel roll right in the crook of the elbow. You're going to bend your elbow up so that the towel roll is now snug inside that space. Make sure that it doesn't travel up away from the crook. You want it to be right in the center. You're going to take your other hand, you're going to grab at your wrist, and what you're going to do is you're going to pull somewhat toward your shoulder and somewhat slightly up. What this does is it's going to create gapping of your elbow joint. For the most part, you're really just going to feel a ton of pressure where that towel roll is, specifically on your bicep, but you might also get a little bit of a stretching sensation through here. Essentially what this is doing is it's changing the pivot point of where your elbow moves from. So instead of your elbow moving from here as a pivot, it's now moving up here, so the two bones down here where they connect get kind of spread apart. This is going to open up some space in your joint and give you a little more movement. You can do lots of reps with this for short periods of time. Joints tend to like that a little bit better than just a sustained stretch, unlike muscles. So you're going to want to do maybe a 2 to 3 second hold and do 10 to 15 of those up to 20.